Hey, this is Brian Lindley, Green Seed Home Inspections. I'm on a roof of a home that's been flipped by investors, of course. I'm on the roof. I'm going to show you some of the things you can't see from the roof level, from the ground level, but you can see once you walk the roof. That's what Green Seed Home Inspections does. I'm going to flip the camera over and show you what I see. All right, so this is called a chimney cricket around the fireplace, chimney chase. I don't see any flashing down there. There is some caulking on the edges. They did some previous repairs. And then as I get over here to the cricket, you can see kind of the wood type material rotting, deteriorating. And also the shingles look like they're kind of loose. Actually, they're not loose. They are just laying on there. So they don't need to be there because they're not doing anything besides maybe holding a little moisture in. They are covering a couple little, there's a squirrel digging in there, maybe a little hole in the flashing there. And at the very bottom down here, we're seeing some debris coming out. And what that is they got tired, I guess, of maybe bugs or water coming in, but they've got steel wool sitting in here. Not sure why. On the other side, same thing. No flashing, at least no flashing appeared there. And they do have some extra caulking and some previous repairs there. So this is Brian Lindley, Green Seed Home Inspections. Get your homes inspected by Green Seed and have a great day.